Today we're going to be demonstrating a 4-color abstract painting. Here are some of the items that you will need. The first color that I'm going to be using is titanium white, and I'm covering the entire paintings to give them texture. The tools I'm using here is a large palette knife and a smaller chip brush. I like to use a spray bottle of water here and there to help spread the paint easier. Make sure to get all your edges of your painting. For my second color, I'm using light purple and titanium white, and I'm mixing them together. I've chosen to create a very soft abstract painting. So what I'm doing first is applying a little bit of paint on my palette knife using a brush first. I also use a little bit of Modern Masters Wall Glazing Cream to help spread everything out and make it not dry so fast. Now I'm softening the painting with a little bit of pale pink using my brush and water. Now for my final color, I am mixing neutral gray and titanium white and repeating the process again. now that my painting is all dry, I'm going to be spraying some spray adhesive over the entire painting for the next step. While my adhesive is still tacky, I'm going to generously be sprinkling glitter all over my painting. I'm using a clear glitter.